Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English conversation practice series. In today's lesson, we will practice how to speak English at the office without stress, using simple, natural sentences that beginners can use confidently every day. This lesson is designed to help you communicate with co-workers, participate in small talks, ask questions, share ideas, and feel relaxed speaking English at work. To stay updated with our lessons, please subscribe, like this video, and practice speaking out loud with us. Now, let's start and make English at work feel easy and stress-free.
Good morning, Daniel. I hope you had a good start to your day and didn't feel too rushed before arriving at the office.
Good morning, Emma. Thank you. I managed to get here on time, and I'm ready to start the day calmly.
Sometimes mornings feel stressful, especially when there is a lot to do and many emails to check.
I understand, and I try to focus on one task at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed.
I usually organize my desk and write down the most important tasks for the day.
That's a great idea, because having a clear plan helps me feel less stressed.
Talking to colleagues in English can feel intimidating at first, but I've learned it becomes easier with practice.
Absolutely. The more we speak, the more natural it feels over time.
Even short conversations at the coffee machine help me practice English naturally.
Small interactions are very effective for building confidence.
I like to greet everyone politely when I arrive at the office, because it sets a positive tone for the day.
Simple greetings make people feel welcome and create a friendly atmosphere.
During team meetings, I try to listen carefully and contribute only when I have clear points to share.
Listening well first helps you speak more confidently later.
I sometimes prepare phrases in advance so I can express my ideas without hesitation.
Preparation reduces anxiety and makes conversation smoother.
Taking deep breaths before speaking also helps me stay calm.
I do the same. It really makes a difference in stressful moments.
I focus on explaining my ideas clearly rather than worrying about perfect grammar.
People understand us better when we communicate clearly, even if sentences are not perfect.
I also try to use simple sentences so that my co-workers can follow easily.
Simplicity often makes communication more effective and stress-free.
I learned that smiling while speaking makes me feel more relaxed and friendly.
Smiling changes our tone and helps the conversation feel natural.
I take short breaks when work feels overwhelming, and it helps me return with a calmer mind.
Breaks are very important to maintain focus and energy.
I make sure to ask questions if I don't understand something instead of guessing.
Asking politely shows responsibility and reduces mistakes.
I sometimes practice key phrases silently before meetings so that I feel more confident speaking.
That's a smart way to prepare without pressure.
I try to greet new colleagues in English, even if it's just a simple hello or nice to meet you.
Simple greetings help build rapport naturally.
Sharing small compliments or polite remarks also improves daily interactions.
Positive language makes the office feel friendlier.
I focus on one conversation at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed.
Concentrating on a single discussion helps reduce stress.
If someone speaks too quickly, I politely ask them to repeat their words.
Asking for repetition is always okay and helps you understand better.
I avoid rushing my sentences because calm speech sounds confident.
Speaking slowly gives you time to think and reduces mistakes.
During group discussions, I try to contribute ideas even if they are simple.
Every idea counts and adds value to the team.
I notice that speaking English becomes less stressful when I focus on the message rather than perfection.
That mindset makes daily conversations much easier.
I practice greetings, small talk, and short updates every day.
Consistent practice builds fluency and confidence.
I remind myself that colleagues care about communication, not grammar mistakes.
That helps reduce pressure and fear of errors.
When I explain my tasks clearly, I feel proud and relaxed.
Clear explanations make you feel professional and calm.
I also observe how others speak and try to learn from their style.
Observation is a great way to pick up natural expressions.
I try to repeat important information to make sure everyone understands.
Repeating calmly shows clarity, not uncertainty.
I prepare small notes before presentations so I don't forget key points.
Notes help you feel secure and confident.
I keep eye contact politely to show attentiveness and interest.
Eye contact improves communication and presence.
I avoid overthinking what I will say next and just speak naturally.
Thinking too much often increases stress. I practice introducing myself clearly to new team members. Introductions are the first step to confident communication.
I make a mental note of important words to use during conversations.
Vocabulary preparation helps you express ideas more easily.
I try to stay relaxed even if I feel nervous inside.
Relaxed posture and calm voice reduce visible stress.
I focus on polite phrases like, "Could you please?" or "I think that."
Politeness makes workplace communication smoother.
I feel more confident when I know I can ask questions anytime.
Questions show curiosity and engagement.
I try to use English in casual conversations too, like during lunch or coffee breaks.
Informal talks improve language skills without pressure.
I notice improvement when I speak slowly and repeat important points.
Repetition helps both understanding and memory.
I avoid negative thoughts about making mistakes.
Positive thinking reduces anxiety and improves performance.
I remind myself that mistakes are normal and part of learning.
Every mistake is a lesson for improvement.
I speak with colleagues politely and confidently even on busy days.
Polite communication reduces stress in the office.
I feel more comfortable giving updates during meetings.
Confidence grows with practice in real situations.
I use simple English to explain complex tasks.
Simplicity improves clarity and understanding.
I notice my stress reduces when I prepare for conversations in advance.
Preparation always helps reduce anxiety.
I remind myself to breathe deeply before responding.
Breathing helps keep the voice calm and clear.
I enjoy small successes when I communicate clearly.
Celebrating small wins boosts confidence.
I focus on active listening during discussions.
Listening first makes speaking easier.
I try to summarize points to show understanding.
Summarizing demonstrates attention and clarity.
I avoid interrupting others, which helps the conversation flow smoothly.
Patience is key for stress-free communication.
I sometimes practice phrases quietly at my desk before using them.
Silent practice increases confidence without pressure.
I feel proud when colleagues understand my points easily.
Clear communication builds trust and self-assurance.
I start the day with a positive mindset, which helps me speak calmly.
Positivity improves overall communication and reduces stress.
I notice that talking about simple topics first warms me up for longer discussions.
Starting small makes complex conversations less intimidating.
I prepare questions in advance so I can participate actively.
Prepared questions show engagement and interest.
I remind myself that listening carefully is as important as speaking.
Listening builds better understanding and reduces mistakes.
I smile while speaking on calls to make my voice sound friendlier.
Smiling changes your tone and helps others feel comfortable.
I focus on clear pronunciation rather than speed when speaking.
Clarity is more important than talking fast.
I practice explaining tasks in a logical order so colleagues understand easily.
Organizing thoughts improves communication significantly.
I notice that meetings feel more productive when I speak confidently.
Confidence encourages others to listen carefully.
I sometimes repeat key points to ensure no one misunderstands.
Calm repetition reinforces clarity.
I take small pauses to think, and it helps me avoid rushing.
Pausing makes speech more relaxed and clear.
I use polite expressions when disagreeing to maintain a positive atmosphere.
Politeness prevents conflicts and maintains professionalism.
I notice that teamwork improves when communication is stress-free.
Comfortable communication strengthens collaboration.
I focus on sharing ideas instead of worrying about mistakes.
Ideas matter more than perfect grammar.
I try to engage colleagues with friendly comments or encouragement.
Friendly language creates a supportive environment.
I remind myself that small progress every day adds up over time.
Continuous improvement builds lasting confidence.
I use simple phrases like, "Could you help me with this?" or "I would like to."
Simple phrases make English conversations easier and natural.
I focus on understanding instructions clearly before replying.
Clear understanding reduces stress in conversations.
I keep track of progress on tasks to speak confidently about updates.
Being informed improves credibility and reduces nervousness.
I practice introducing project ideas in short, clear sentences.
Short explanations help everyone follow easily.
I enjoy asking questions because it shows engagement and interest.
Questions improve understanding and strengthen teamwork.
I notice that colleagues respond better when I speak calmly and politely.
Calm speech encourages open discussion.
I practice describing tasks step by step to ensure clarity.
Step-by-step explanations reduce mistakes and confusion.
I focus on positive language to maintain a relaxed office environment.
Positive words reduce tension and encourage collaboration.
I notice improvement when I speak daily, even in short conversations.
Daily practice makes English feel natural.
I avoid overthinking my sentences and focus on communication instead.
Thinking too much can increase stress unnecessarily.
I remind myself that it's okay to pause if I need to find words.
Pausing shows thoughtfulness, not weakness.
I practice common office phrases regularly to build confidence.
Familiarity with phrases reduces stress in real situations.
I notice that listening to colleagues carefully helps me respond appropriately.
Active listening improves conversations significantly.
I focus on calm body language to match relaxed speech.
Posture and gestures improve overall confidence.
I use polite expressions when giving updates, like, I would like to share.
Polite phrases make communication professional and clear.
I enjoy sharing progress with colleagues because it reinforces confidence.
Positive feedback boosts motivation for both speakers.
I notice that repeating instructions helps everyone understand.
Clear repetition prevents misunderstandings.
I try to speak clearly even when I feel busy or tired.
Clarity is important, regardless of circumstances.
I remind myself that every conversation is an opportunity to improve.
Practice and experience go hand in hand.
I use short sentences to make explanations stress-free.
Short sentences are easier for everyone to follow.
I notice that meetings feel less intimidating when I focus on simple communication.
Simplicity reduces pressure and boosts confidence.
I encourage colleagues to ask questions during discussions.
Questions improve collaboration and understanding.
I focus on positive interactions to create a comfortable office atmosphere.
Positivity makes work more enjoyable for everyone.
I prepare updates in advance so I can speak naturally without stress.
Preparation ensures smooth and confident delivery.
I remind myself that mistakes are normal and do not define my ability.
Learning from mistakes strengthens confidence over time.
I try to speak English as often as possible in daily office interactions.
Frequent practice makes English more natural.
I focus on clear explanations when giving task updates.
Clear explanations reduce confusion and stress.
I notice that speaking calmly helps me feel relaxed inside.
Calmness is visible and encourages better communication.
I use polite ways to request help from colleagues.
Polite requests maintain professionalism and ease tension.
I practice responding to questions with short, confident sentences.
Short responses reduce hesitation and improve clarity.
I try to summarize my points at the end of conversations.
Summarizing reinforces understanding for everyone.
I notice improvement in confidence when I speak regularly.
Regular practice leads to long-term comfort in English.
I enjoy participating in casual conversations as well as formal meetings.
Both types of conversations help improve fluency.
I remind myself that stress decreases when I focus on communication rather than perfection.
A positive mindset makes office conversations much easier.
I feel confident speaking English at the office now because I practice daily, stay calm, and communicate clearly.
With continued practice, speaking English at work will become natural, relaxed, and stress-free.